Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So yesterday we've ended up with a pin bar. Still too much confusion on the daily for me. This is still barbed wire with all these tails to the upside and tails to the downside. But pretty much this was Amazon results, better than expectations. So they drove the market pretty rapidly. I think it was over 300 points that we gained yesterday. We are at a level, and there's my fractal. But I think the key thing at the moment is we do have a level of support down here. Okay, so the only reason is because we've broken back below it there, and now we've closed above it. Okay, so that fractal and this fractal here are very close to each other. That's our zone of support right now. Okay, so let's just get across to lower time frames. So if you look at the 3 hour, you can see pretty much going nowhere most of yesterday. Buyers stepping in, they were scaling in here, but they're also selling as well. And then Amazon results, which pretty much drove the market up. So we can see this as an engulfing pattern. Okay, so it's an engulfing bar. We've got a double bottom engulfing bar. This level here, I'll adjust it to that fractal, that's the height of the double bottom. Okay, so could turn out to be a range, just be aware of that. We could get some selling at the gap close, which is not too far away. So I'm reluctant to be tracing longs here. If we get a break and a pullback and a test, then that's the entry for me. But yeah, if we do get a break above this, we have a fairly decent, I'll take it from that leg there. That's a good 450 point trade to the upside, which, if I'm not mistaken, should take us to the top here, I would assume. Yeah, that takes us to the previous high. Okay, so that's kind of the structure that I see at the moment. You can see we're flirting with the 200 EMA on the hour at the moment. We've also got quite a bit of congestion to the left here, so don't expect any fireworks right now. Europe may open still in the still fearing the coronavirus at the moment, and we drive back a bit, come and test some of these levels down here before allowing us to rally again. But I'm pretty certain we have a fairly good rejection off the bottom of the daily channel and weekly channel right now. And if we just put that in so you can see what we're talking about. Delete that noise. Okay. There is our channel. You can see we've got a rejection off the bottom there now. And if the weekly stays like this, then I would expect another attempt at the top, which is pretty much what price action is telling us right now. Okay, the price action is telling us this is a potential double bottom, and a break above here is going to give us an opportunity to be long. Right, so in saying that, we are ranging at the moment. On the 12 minute, you can see we've broken up. We're in a range. I've got the two fractal levels drawn in, and this level here, as soon as this next 12-minute bar is completed, will more than likely come up to there. So then my fractals will be like that. Higher lows, and when you get higher lows at the flat top, you get a flat top triangle. Okay, so I'm in favor of the longs. Don't know if we're going to get a pullback, but if we do get a break, I want to see a retest before I get in on that long. If we just come to the Ichimoku quickly, I'm not sure it's going to give us much difference. Start with the 12. Okay, so we are bullish at the moment on the 12. Everything is bullish. No reason to get out of this. You can see a break of the trend on the 12 right now. But you could take these two fractals, but in reality, from an Ichimoku perspective, it's all the way down here, below the cloud. Looking at the 30-minute, flat Dickinson ranging, which we are doing at the moment. and that's to be expected right now. So what I'm looking for is structure now. So either a pullback, a bounce off a cloud or something like that, and then I'm looking for an entry long. Same with the hour. So the hour, we have broken through the cloud, we've got a twist here, we've got a crossover, and we've got chicken span through price. So we have 4 bullish signals here. Any break above this range during a training session, not during after hour session like now, that's going to trigger a long for me. 4 hour, still sort of bearish at the moment, but Kijun coming together, chicken span coming to price, and look how thin the cloud is here. So there's not much resistance for it to break through. So you can see this bar going up, then the next bar, and then the next bar. You could get a little bit of a pullback and then through. Okay, so that is looking very bullish. This double bottom is really looking interesting to me anyway. Okay, and then from the daily perspective, you can see we're back above Kijun, we're in between Kijun and Chikunsen, which is indication of a range. So again, our level to break is the double bottom, the neckline of the double bottom, which is 28,948. So any close above 28,950 is going to give me looking for structure for the longs, and I'm targeting the previous high here. Okay. Lastly, on the daily, we have a trend line which may play out. It's a pretty weak trend line at the moment, but you may see us tag it, come back to find support, and that would also be an opportunity to get long, because that tagging of the trend line would be a break above the neckline. Okay, so for me, looking for longs at this stage, looking for a break above the current high, but we'll wait for European Open and see what happens, and then get an opportunity to get in sometime during that session. Okay, so anyway, guys, any pullback is still an opportunity for me to get long, and there are areas that you need to worry about in the pullback. Obviously, you can see this breakout area here, so any pullback back onto the 200 EMA would still give me a long entry. That's pretty much what we're looking for. And let me just get back to the templates. And looking at the hour, you can see what is going on. Oscillators on the hour are indicating we are at a level, which is true. We've got 2 levels here. We've got the 200 EMA and the neckline of the double top. Or the bottom, sorry. So what we're looking for is a pullback of sorts, or a break. Okay, and what you're not looking for is the stochastics. Stochastics could indicate a rollover, which is possible, but we're going to need to break below. There we have, there's our new fractal level. But if you look at the hour, we're going to need to break below 28,628 for it to trigger shorts. And even that is just going to get me a better entry long. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my view for today. Hope that helps, and catch up with you later. Cheers for now.